Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RFID kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to secure their belongings or manage inventory efficiently, offering a glimpse into the future of contactless identification and data transfer. This technology, once confined to niche industrial applications, is now more accessible than ever, empowering individuals and small businesses with sophisticated tracking and security solutions that were previously out of reach. Whether you're a hobbyist exploring the possibilities of smart home integration, a small business owner aiming to streamline your operations, or simply someone concerned about protecting sensitive information, an RFID kit provides the building blocks for a smarter, more secure world. Number 5. Freenove Ultimate Starter Kit for Raspberry Pi. Dive into the world of electronics with our comprehensive starter kit. It's designed to help you explore and create with your Raspberry Pi. Master programming with 5 different languages: Python, C, Java, Scratch, and processing. You'll have access to detailed tutorials and code examples for every project. Our 962-page tutorial provides a step-by-step guide, covering everything from basic electronics to advanced concepts. All the information you need is readily available. Engage in 128 diverse projects, ranging from simple circuits to complex applications. Each project includes schematics, wiring diagrams, and complete code explanations. This kit includes 223 items, featuring a wide array of electronic components, modules, sensors, and wires. You'll have all the necessary parts to bring your ideas to life. It's compatible with a wide range of Raspberry Pi models, including the latest Pi 5 and popular versions like the Pi 4B and Pi 02W. Please note that the Raspberry Pi board is not included. What we like. If you are a beginner looking to dive deep into Raspberry Pi projects, this kit offers an incredible learning path. With 128 projects and extensive tutorials in Python, C, Java, and more, it's perfect for hands-on learning. Choose this if you want a comprehensive educational experience with a vast array of components. What people say. The RFID kit is a great way to learn about RFID technology. It includes all the necessary components to get started with RFID projects. The documentation provided with the kit is clear and easy to follow. Number 4. 4-Door Access Control Security Kit. Introducing a robust security solution designed to manage access for up to 4 doors. This system offers advanced control and convenience for your property. Gain entry effortlessly with RFID readers and key fobs. Simply swipe your card or fob for quick and secure access. Stay in control from anywhere with our intuitive mobile app. Open doors remotely using your smartphone, whether you're on an iPhone or Android device. Manage users, track entry records, and generate reports with our powerful professional software. It provides detailed insights into your security system. Control who enters which door and at what specific times. This system allows for authorized access based on your predefined schedules. With detailed guides and diagrams, installation is straightforward. Once programmed, it operates independently without needing a constant network connection. What we like. For businesses or multi-unit residences needing robust access control from multiple entry points, this system is ideal. It allows for remote door opening via a phone app and manages up to 20,000 users. If you need centralized control over several doors with advanced user management and remote capabilities, this is the solution. What people say. The RFID kit is a great starter for learning about RFID technology. It includes all the necessary components to get started with RFID projects. The documentation provided with the kit is clear and easy to follow. Number 3. Boxiki Travel Black Money Belt RFID Sleeve Set. Introducing the Boxiki Travel Black Money Belt and RFID Sleeve Set. It's designed to keep your valuables safe and secure on all your journeys. Our advanced RFID secure sleeves protect your credit cards, money cards, and identification from electronic fraud and theft. They act as a superb debit card protector and passport holder. Made from special RFID blocking material, this set is thin, lightweight, and tear and water resistant. It provides superior travel security without weighing you down. This electronic armor prevents unauthorized electronic access to your cards, offering valuable protection against scanning and skimming. It's your ultimate identity theft protection. Featuring a color coding system, you can find each card easily and quickly. The special rigid aluminum foil coating ensures you're protected from high-tech crime. This set includes 12 RFID credit card protector sleeves for ultimate fraud prevention and travel safety. Keep your sensitive information secure wherever you go. What we like. If your primary concern is protecting your personal financial information while traveling, this product is for you. Its slim, lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the RFID blocking sleeves safeguard your cards and passport from electronic theft. Choose this for convenient, everyday protection against high-tech crime. What people say. The RFID Kit is a great way to learn about RFID technology, with clear instructions and easy-to-use components. It includes a variety of RFID tags and a reader module, allowing for different project ideas and experimentation. The documentation provided with the kit is comprehensive, covering the basics of RFID and how to integrate it with microcontrollers like Arduino. Number 2. UHPPOTE Access Control Keypad 600 pounds Electromagnetic Lock System. Experience robust security with a powerful magnetic pull that resists forced entry. This system provides reliable protection for your property. This all-in-one kit includes everything for immediate use. You won't need any extra parts for a seamless setup. Our fail-safe design ensures security while meeting fire safety regulations. Installation is straightforward with its simple wiring and surface-mounted structure. Enjoy the convenience of wireless remote control with an impressive range of up to 160 feet in open spaces. Access your property with ease. This system is ideal for a wide range of applications, from factories and homes to offices and residential areas. It's a versatile solution for various security needs. What we like. This kit is a great choice for home or office security where a strong, reliable lock is needed. The 600 pounds magnetic force provides excellent security, and the inclusion of a wireless remote and exit button makes operation convenient. If you're looking for a straightforward, powerful, and easy-to-install magnetic lock system, this is it. What people say. The RFID Kit is a great starting point for learning about RFID technology, with clear instructions and well-chosen components. The included RFID reader module is easy to interface with microcontrollers like Arduino, making it simple to build custom RFID projects. The variety of RFID tags provided in the kit allows for experimentation with different applications and testing scenarios. Number 1. Biometric Fingerprint RFID Access Control System. Introducing our state-of-the-art access control system. It offers multiple ways to grant entry, ensuring security and convenience for your property. Choose from Fingerprint, RFID card, or password for access. It supports up to 3,000 users, making it ideal for various environments. This system includes a powerful 600 pounds electric magnetic lock with an LED indicator. It's designed for indoor use and provides robust security. Installation is straightforward with our detailed video guides and online support. You can even preview the installation video before you buy. Perfect for apartments, offices, factories, and schools, this device ensures secure entry and exit management for indoor spaces. Easily download entry records via RJ45 cable. This feature helps you keep track of who enters and exits your premises. What we like. For enhanced security in indoor environments like apartments or offices, this system offers advanced access control. It combines fingerprint, RFID, and password entry for flexible authentication. If you need a high-security, standalone access solution with biometric capabilities, this is an excellent option for reliable user management. What people say. The RFID Kit is a great way to learn about RFID technology and its applications. It includes all the necessary components to get started with RFID projects, such as RFID reader, tags, and a microcontroller. The documentation and examples provided are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.